Welcome to Secrets Revealed, How to Choose Winning Affiliate Products in 2024. We'll be delving into the intricate world of affiliate marketing, guiding you through the strategies and roadmaps that lead to success in this fast-paced industry. Our first stop is market research. When it comes to effective affiliate marketing, the key lies in identifying profitable niches. This process, however, is no longer a shot in the dark. Thanks to tools like Google Trends and keyword analysis, we have at our disposal the app tools to aid our assessments. With Google Trends, we can observe the pattern of consumer search behavior over a certain timeline, which as a result, can help us foresee overall market trends and identify lucrative niches to target our affiliate marketing efforts. Keywords, on the other hand, act as a guide to consumer interests and tendencies. By pinpointing high-traffic keywords and keyword phrases, we can optimize our content to appeal more directly to our target audience, thereby increasing our chances of higher affiliate product sales. Our next stop on this journey is trend analysis. The landscape of consumer behavior is continually shifting, and by keeping an ear to the ground and paying close attention to market trends, affiliate marketers can adapt and stay ahead of the game. Social media, for instance, has taken on a significant role in shaping consumer preferences. By observing the online behavior of our target audience, we can orient our affiliate marketing strategies to reflect current trends, boosting our chances of successful product promotion. Furthermore, the ever-evolving nature of technology opens up new avenues of products and services that can be marketed. By keeping a close eye on industry novelties and consumer shifts, affiliate marketers can seamlessly align their promotional strategies with the hottest market trends. The next destination we will explore is competitor evaluation. It's not only paramount to adapt to market trends, but it's equally important to assess competitor strategies and identify areas of opportunity. This means analyzing competitor offerings, identifying their competitive advantages, and plotting ways to differentiate our products or fill voids left in the market. Doing so lets us effectively cater to pre-established consumer interests, ultimately maximizing our affiliate marketing successes. Smart affiliate marketers don't mindlessly flood the market with products they deem popular. They strategically select products that resonate with their audience. This brings us to our next stop, strategic product selection. One strategy often employed here is creating content that focuses on the pain points or aspirations of the audience and then maximizing the promotion of affiliate products that offer solutions or align with these aspirations. This part of the process also involves checking out for product quality and reliability. No matter how perfectly a product might seem to fit your niche or how attractive the commissions may look, it's crucial to ensure the product aligns with your brand's values and that it's something you can genuinely recommend to your audience. Finally, after all these steps have been taken, and products have been chosen, it's time to execute. Conclusion and next steps involves promoting the selected products in line with the strategies and knowledge gathered earlier. From social media marketing to email campaigns, from search engine marketing to creating quality content, this final step demands consistent, smart efforts to ensure effective product promotion around the clock. The world of affiliate marketing is dynamic and continuously evolving. It demands a thirst for knowledge, acute sense of direction and patience. But with the right strategies and focused efforts, it provides a playing field where anyone can leverage their passion and knowledge to build a successful, profitable business. So, get ready to leap forward and delve into the rich world of affiliate marketing. Keep an open mind, brace yourself for learning and make those essential decisions that will make the difference in your affiliate endeavors. Welcome to the new age of affiliate marketing strategies. Affiliate marketing is a viable business model, a way to monetize traffic, and a way to promote new products and services. And with the right strategies and a committed approach, you can make a huge success of it. We hope you found this video helpful as you seek to navigate the ever-evolving world of digital marketing. Stay informed, stay sharp, and most importantly, stay committed to those things that make you a genuinely valuable resource to your target audience. Here's a mega reminder: understand, execute, assess, and adapt. As you journey on the road less traveled in this immensely vast world of digital marketing, maintain an open mind to learn and adapt. After all, success loves evolution. Remember, the most successful affiliate marketers are not the one-hit wonders. They are the ones who consistently provide value, build trust with their audience, and always have their fingers on the pulse of their industry's trends. So as you venture into the exciting universe of affiliate marketing, empower yourself with the knowledge you've gathered and the strategies you've formulated. Always remember, every defeat, every obstacle, and every pivot you make is a stepping stone to becoming a more successful affiliate marketer. As we close this chapter, remember that the mark of a true affiliate marketer is not merely the commissions they gather or the traffic they generate. Rather, it's the value they impart, the solutions they supply, and the impact they have on their audience. And with that, we wrap up our video. Effective affiliate marketing is always a blend of art and science. Keeping abreast with current trends, thoughtful product selection, and crisp execution invariably lay a strong foundation for success. All the best on your journey to the peak of affiliate marketing excellence. Delving into affiliate marketing can be daunting for many. But remember, every journey, no matter how daunting it may seem initially, starts with a single step. By following the strategies we've outlined in this guide, you'll be putting your best foot forward. As there's always something new to learn and the market is constantly changing, staying on top of trends, enjoying the journey, and adapting constantly is the key to sustained success in affiliate. So, are you ready to take the plunge? We hope to see you soon, making your affiliate marketing dreams a reality. Even with the plethora of information available online, don't feel bogged down. Remember, every marketing strategy will not work for every platform. It's a mix of experimentation, learning, and fine-tuning that will take your affiliate marketing journey to newer heights, and remember to always have fun in the process. On this note, it's the time to say goodbye, but the learning never stops in this dynamic world of digital marketing. Keep exploring, keep learning and keep evolving, and success won't be just a dream. If they can do it, so can you. Onwards to a future of brilliant affiliate marketing. Well begun is half done, and with the insights you've gathered over the course of this video, we're sure you've set forth on a path to success in your affiliate marketing journey. So, we'll leave you with these final words of wisdom: keep learning, keep adapting, and above all, keep building on your strengths. As we journey through the intricacies of affiliate marketing, never forget the goal is not just about selling products. It's about building relationships, establishing trust, and adding value to the consumer. So, go out there, be patient, and work towards making every decision count. We hope this insight fuels your determination even more, and that brings us to the end of our journey together. We hope you have been enriched with the key strategies and steps to pursue your endeavors in the world of affiliate marketing. Thank you for joining us on this voyage. Until we meet again, keep hustling and keep scaling.